Hello everyone. In today's videos, we will be discussing the top 5 best 3D printer nails machine available on the market. The list has been curated based on features, prices, quality, durability, and the reputation of the manufacturers. If you are looking for an affordable and reliable best 3D printer nails machine, this video will guide you through some great options. Number 1. SOMMET M1 Mobile Nail Printer. The printer is designed with intelligent features that make it easy to use and operate. It is a portable printer, allowing you to use it conveniently wherever you go. The printer is capable of printing any designs or pictures, offering you a wide range of printing options. It produces high-quality prints, ensuring that your designs look sharp and vibrant. You can customize your designs easily using the printer's software, allowing you to create unique and personalized prints. The printer offers fast printing speeds, allowing you to complete your printing tasks quickly. It is compatible with a variety of devices, making it easy to connect and use with your existing setup. The printer is built to last, ensuring that you can enjoy its benefits for a long time. It can print on real nails or artificial nails. The printer offers cost-effective printing solutions, allowing you to save money on your printing needs. Number 2. 3D Portable Nail Printer Mini. Smart 3D Mobile Nail Printer M1 Pattern Digital Nail Art Printer Machine DIY Portable H1 Nail Art Equipment from phone. Controlled by phone app. Printing counter. Massive designs available for download. Classifications for quick search. Design personal patterns by yourself. Classify common used patterns optionally. ABS environmental protection material plus automotive grade spray paint. Product weight 500 grams. Size 182 x 167 120 mm. System mint green, ivory white, cherry pink, DC5V/2A power supply mode, mobile power or USB power interface applicable. Ink cartridge, FM101 ink cartridge can paint 250 nails. Number 3. MOONBIFFY DW5590 DIY 3D Nail Art Printer. DIY 3D Nail Art Printer. Printing manicure machine with metal stamp. Stamper nail tool. Nail printing machine. Nail art tool. Cute and lovely design, easy operation, no batteries, no wires. Come with 6 metal pattern plates. Accurate positioning control with a sucker on the bottom. The machine can be fixed firmly onto your desk, table. Stamp what you like within a minute. Enjoy your DIY and beautiful nails. Number 4. Portable Nail Printer H1 3D Nail Printer. O2 Nails Mini Printer for Nails. Professional 3D Nail Printer H1 Portable Mobile Nail Art Printing Machine for home or nail salon. Controlled by phone app. Printing counter. Massive designs available for download. Classifications for quick search. Design personal patterns by yourself. Classify common used patterns optionally. Number 5. SOMMET DS O2 3D Digital Nail Printer. Controlled by mobile app. Mobile album images printing. Massive designs available for download and printing. Design personal patterns by yourself. Printing counter built in the app. Classifications for quick search. Classify common used patterns optionally. All accessories in the package. You can start to nail art when you receive the parcel.